Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. This was question 13 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, on the PSAT that was administered on November 2nd, 2016. Now right there, pause it. Why don't you pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good. Because we're getting in there. It reads, a science teacher is preparing the 5 stations of a science laboratory. Each station will have either experiment A materials or experiment B materials, but not both. Experiment A requires 6 teaspoons of salt, and experiment B requires 4 teaspoons of salt. If X is the number of stations that will be set up for experiment A, and the remaining stations will be set up for experiment B, which of the following expressions represents the total number of teaspoons of salt required? Then if I look at the answer choices, I see that they all have something in common. X. Each answer choice has a variable. That's a pretty good indication that I may be able to choose my own number. Now the question told me that X represented the number of stations set up for experiment A. So what could X be? How about 2? Seems reasonable enough. Well, if there were 2 stations set up for experiment A, and each of them would need 6 teaspoons of salt, then that's 12 teaspoons of salt for them. Now the question told me there were 5 stations in total, so then I suppose 3 would have to be set up for experiment B. And each of those would need, it says, 4 teaspoons of salt. Okay, 3 times 4 is also 12. So if I add our salt needs together, we end up with 24 teaspoons. So that when X is 2, I know that the answer is 24. Well, now we can go to the answer choices and cross off all the ones that don't give me 24 when I plug in 2 for X. Answer choice A says 5X. 5 times 2 is 10, not 24. Bye. Answer choice B says 10X, which would be 20. Still not 24. Goodbye. C says 2X, so that'll be 4, 2 times 2, plus 20. Oh, 24. Nice. We'll keep it around. Let's go to D. 10X. 20 plus 20. Way too many. Jeez. Trying to have a salt party over there. So the answer was C. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that subscribe button. I don't think people say that. I suppose you only have to press it once, so you could tap it as lightly as you'd like. You'll be able to catch our new video every day, and, that could be tight. If you have any questions about this problem or any others, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.